What's happening, dogs? Mr. Allen here. We're going to find the AROC, the average rate of change. That's street talk for average rate of change, right? The AROC of f of x, g of x, and h of x from 0 to 3. So that would be our interval there from x equals 0 to x equals 3. And we can do that given an equation, a table, or a graph. We're going to do all three, bro. The trifecta of AROC. Let's get after it. So for my average rate of change, which is my slope, I'm going to have f of 0 minus f of 3 over 0 minus 3. And remember, you could have this all flipped as long as those two line up and those two line up. Otherwise, you're going to have the opposite sign from what you should have. All right, if it was positive, it would have then been negative, right? If it should have been negative, it would have been positive. Either way, you're wrong, bro. So keep it in line. All right, so what is f of 0? Well, pretty easy there. It's just 0 minus, and then what's f of 3? Well, 3 cubed is 27 plus 2 times 3, which is 6. So 27 plus 6 is going to give me 33 divided by 0 minus 3, which is negative 3. So really I have, easy to see here, negative 33 over negative 3. That gives me 11 for my AROC, my average rate of change in this bad boy right here. Woo! We're cruising, dogs. We're cruising. On to g of x. Let's get it. So again, we have g of 0 minus g of 3, my average rate of change formula here, 0 minus 3. That's dope. That's awesome. That's fantastic. Well, what is g of 0? On my table there, I got negative 3. So I'm going to have negative 3 minus, and what is g of 3? It's 6. And then I've got 0 minus 3 is negative 3. So here I have negative 3 minus 6, that's negative 9. So negative 9 over negative 3. And when I simplify that, that's just going to give me positive 3 for my AROC of g of x. Woo! One more to go, dogs. One more to go. Uno mas. Let's get h of x here. So I'm going to have h of 0 minus h of 3 divided by, again, 0 minus 3. Alrighty, and now h of 0 is negative 1, so I got negative 1 minus, and then h of 3 is going to give me 2 for this one here, according to this beautiful cubic looking. It looks cubic to me. All right, I don't know, but it looks cubic. Might not be. I'm going to say it's cubic. Alrighty. Then we got 0 minus 3 is negative 3. So it looks like we're going to have actually negative 3 divided by negative 3. Negative 3 over negative 3, which gives me positive 1 for my AROC. My AROC here of that one. Now let's take a look at that graph there. It does look, when you connect those 2 points, that I'd have a nice straight line there. Positive slope, positive 1 for the slope between those 2 points. All right? That's dope. All positive AROCs here. All positive AROCs. Which one has the greatest average rate of change? Well, that would be our f of x right here. That is the greatest average rate of change compared to any one of these guys right here. That's pretty awesome, man. That's pretty dope. All three of them, you can do it with any form here, given the equation, given the table, given the graph. That's dope. That's awesome. You guys are awesome. I'll see you dogs later.